Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Gang. Okay, before we formally calculate and enter damage calculation, we first make a GEEC. GEEC is specifically used for post-calculation of GE. So here we will write it according to the standard format because this thing is very complicated and some GEC tutorials may not teach you about GEC. Okay, but now you still need to master this. So how should it be written? First of all, we need to include this calculation, a GEC thing. We forward declare it, ignore this. Then here, after we define it, in this part, it is specifically used to apply this damage. Then we just need to make it inherit this class after the inheritance is complete. We now write the constructor. After writing the constructor, we need to override this method. This method is the execution ARPG-style. Then we can take a look at its source code comment. It is not written here. If it is not written, anyway, the knowledge in this area is quite troublesome. Generally, you might not need it, but I am just guiding everyone to write it. First, learn how to use it. Then think about why it does it this way. It helps us assist with damage calculation. It's very convenient. Then we define a struct here. This struct is used in this place. Then it will have such a calculation definition. After the definition is complete, we need to provide a static method. It can pass such a struct. Then inside the constructor, we add it to this position. Okay. These are the previous ones. These are all fixed writing styles. Then when we actually calculate, we only do calculations on the server. So here, we need to use a red to distinguish. Let it only do calculations on the server. And first of all, through the parameter we passed in, we get this GameplayEffect, the specific instance of expect. Then, through the instance, we can capture the tags of both sides. After the tags, we assign the parameters of these tags. After assigning them, we need to use these parameters for calculation. So we prepare a calculated damage value, which is how much damage to deal. Then we call this method, which is the equation program. There is a calculation here. The attribute method, such a method, after the calculation is complete, we apply a limit to this damage because it must be greater than 0. The minimum is 0 because after finishing this part, there might be changes in other places. If it's greater than 0, then we will add it here to this equation output. That's it. Let's write it like this for now. Okay, as long as we can make it run. Later we'll teach you how to add or modify things here. We should be able to compile successfully now. Okay, there's an error. Let's see what's wrong. It's because we didn't add a semicolon here. Okay, got it. Then we'll stop here for Shaxia in this lesson.